How to use Snapseed QR presets. Get 20 premium QR codes free. Preview. QR code link in description. Let's start. Tap on the Snapseed icon to open it. Tap anywhere on your screen to open a photo from your gallery. Go to the layer icon with the arrow over it. Select QR look on the bottom. Click Scan QR look and align the QR code in the rectangle. Scan Snapseed QR code. Then the preset will be applied. Export photo. Thanks for watching.